Today, we're diving into the world of cupcakes. If you love baking but hate the hassle of preheating an oven, you're in for a treat. We've rounded up 3 of the best cupcake makers that will save you time and make baking super fun and easy. Let's get right into it. First up, we have the Holstein Housewares Non-Stick Cupcake Maker. This little gem lets you bake 6 full-size cupcakes in just minutes. No oven required. Whether you're in the mood for chocolate chip cupcakes, gluten-free muffins, or even savory treats like mini quiches, this maker has got you covered. It features a non-stick surface for easy cleanup, a compact design for hassle-free storage, and a safety lock to keep it secure while in use. Plus, the bright indicator light lets you know when it's preheated and ready to go. If you love quick and effortless baking, this one's a must-have. Next, let's talk about the Disney Minnie Mouse Mini Cupcake Maker. This adorable appliance makes 4 mini cupcakes at a time and comes with 100 cupcake liners and a candy bowl mold to add extra charm to your creations. With its non-stick coating and easy-to-use design, even beginners can whip up bakery-style cupcakes in no time. It's perfect for themed parties, baking with kids, or simply adding a little fun to your kitchen. Plus, the non-skid feet and latching handle ensure safety while baking. If you love bite-sized treats, this one is for you. And finally, we have the Babycakes full-size cupcake maker. If you want to bake in bigger batches, this machine is your best bet. It bakes 12 full-size cupcakes in just 5 to 8 minutes. No more waiting around for the oven to preheat. Just mix, pour, and bake. It features a latching lid for even cooking, a non-stick surface for easy release, and power and ready indicator lights to guide you. Whether you're making cupcakes, muffins, or even mini pies, this cupcake maker is a game changer. So, there you have it, 3 amazing cupcake makers that make baking faster, easier, and way more fun. If you want to check out any of these products, the links are in the description below. And the best part? You'll find exclusive deals and discounts there too. Also, a quick disclaimer. All the products mentioned in this video were chosen based on bestsellers and top-rated items from major online stores. If you have a favorite cupcake maker or any thoughts on our picks, let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome product recommendations.